So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating in my favorite area 2 different vignettes. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm loving the corner here. In this area, it's probably the greenery and the cozy feeling. So that's what I'm doing here. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette Open Collaboration. That means anyone can join, guys. Now this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today we do have a theme and it's neutrals. Now we do have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and Dream with Caroline. Now here you see me working with that vine, and you won't believe I found that at the Dollar Tree, and it's pretty long, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. I couldn't help myself, but I had to display something for Easter. And even though it's pastel and not neutrals, I'm still loving it. So here we are with a DIY vase that I decorated, and inside of the vase we have some tulips and some mini yellow roses. I am loving it. Okay, so we also have that votive candle, and I am loving that. It's in the shape of a flower, guys, and this came also from the Dollar Tree. Now wait till you see this next piece. I actually have not released this video yet. It will be coming out this week, but I couldn't help myself, had to show you this as well with items that I stockpile from the Dollar Tree no matter what the season. Now here is my bunny topiary. I am loving this. So the Dollar Tree during the fall season had these little mini pumpkin stackables that you can place on your table on any small area. So we used the 2 bottom pieces and colored them in 2 different colors. Then I used the foam bunny, which is that hot pink color for the top, and then I DIY'd a bow, and here we go. Doesn't that look gorgeous, guys? So you pick your colors. I just chose these, placed the votive in the center, and we are almost getting ready to head on over to the reveal. So I think this came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. Now we're going to be getting ready to head on over to the second portion of this. Now don't forget that this video for this DIY, I'm going to be releasing this week, and I hope to see you there. All right, so here we are decorating for number 2, and I still couldn't let go of that vine, so we're just going to keep incorporating it because you can never go wrong with it. And now we are also displaying some DIYs, except for that votive candle that I made for this particular vignette setting. So I think I did a good job here with this carrot. Beautiful. And then here we have a decorative piece that I picked up from the Dollar Tree that says, "He is risen." Okay, so you know me, I'm always moving stuff around. And of course, here's one of my favorite bunnies in that cream color. And I think we're pretty much set though. We're going simple here and neutral. So here is the votive candle. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I am absolutely loving both of these. One is more vibrant, one is more neutral. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.